I think as Siemens, we have an obligation, being the world's largest automation provider, to educate this next generation workforce, to be able to use advanced automation technologies and to really use what's going to be installed in these factories here in the future.
When I think back and compare to where we were 20 years ago to now, there's so much automation, from robotics to other types of devices, that we need a really highly skilled workforce in order to make all of us successful.
The focus is on how do we make sure we have the workforce that we need for the future. Education, basic education as well as advanced education, is really one of the keys.
What we strive to do here at THINC College and Career Academy is to provide real opportunities with real-world equipment. That's one of the reasons that the Siemens partnership is so important to us.
Hi, Raj Batra. Nice to meet you.
Siemens is pleased to announce a donation of more than $100,000 of automation hardware for THINC's Mechatronics Lab, as well as certification and training for its instructors.
The Siemens donation is a perfect example of providing students with current, relevant technology so that we are preparing them with equipment that many of our companies in the region are using now.
With THINC and with mechatronics, it really opened my eyes. I'll have more experience in a career than other students will because I will have already worked with some of these machines.
What's important to keep this going forward is our public and private partnerships that we have with the local community. So what we feel like is a strong point for us is working with the THINC Academy, and how do we develop these students so that we just continue to go on this progressive curve upward.
So this collaboration is going to let us really ensure that students that come out of the THINC College and Career Academy have fluency with automation technologies. They're using the next generation of capability. They're able to simulate what they're going to see in the real world.